A video posted online shows a 7-year-old boy delivering parcels in a eastern Chinese city. The boy was orphaned after his father passed away and his mother lost contact with him. His father's friend takes care of the boy. He has been nicknamed Little Lee. Those who watched the video have been sympathetic and concerned for the well being of the boy. A local children's charity confirmed that little Lee was now staying with them and will receive support for education. First question: is it okay for little Lee to work at a young age of just 7? Give your reasons. Second question: put yourself in little Lee's shoes and think of what would you have done. Discuss your answers with the classmates.